lot of soundtrack. Ah, my brother, this is too much. Don't take me easy. You enter my home. You don't with my home. Oh, God, small. Don't eat my room. Okay, wait. Let me come out it. No, don't come out it. Don't leave it. Let me go like that. Let me go like, okay, it's okay. No, God, no, it's okay. I enjoy it. He enter my room.
Will you keep quiet?
See, sometimes I shout Jesus.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Together, I don't even know, maybe she's a witch. She always shouts, Obatala.
Jesus is Lord.
What do you say?
What you will hear? Oh, you killing me. Oh, if your name is Victor, you are the one.
If I did drone ID, you go tell me, say you don't enter the center of gravity.
I beg now. It's okay. You know, say that she didn't enter.
How? Ooh!